And welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in Apabay, Taguig City to show you this duplex development. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation nitong ating remaining unit facing north, the entrance for your pedestrian gate, and an access going to your 3-vehicle carport. By the way, we have your automated gate para convenient to use, no? So for the flooring dito sa inyong 3-vehicle carport, granito tiles, rough texture para non-skid together with your pebble flooring. You can also notice in this space coming from your pedestrian gate, very spacious. So kunyari man, you have your electric bikes, your mountain bike in this space, or a motorcycle kasha in this space. Extended din yung canopy natin in this area through your metal frame. For your 3rd vehicle carport, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng inyong huge SUV or van. Again, covered by a canopy from your 2nd floor. So before tayo pumasok dun sa inyong main door, let's explore itong side ng itong property. So in this space, this is your covered lanai with an access coming from your dining. So it also allows lots of natural light dito sa inyong dining area and the view ng inyong water fountain in this space. So kunyari man into alfresco kayo with your guests, relatives, and this is the perfect spot. Covered kayo from outside elements from your canopy sa 2nd floor, your side garden and rockscape. Also, your walkway going down, papunta sa inyong basement, nandun yung inyong service area and the laundry. And the room for your staff. Pero mamaya na yan, bababa tayo dun sa loob ng bahay. So, balik tayo dito sa inyong main door. Going back here, we have this space, itong inyong covered porch. If you want to preserve the privacy of your property and you have your guests, so you can also receive them dito sa space na ito. You can put some bench, coffee table, your window, lots of natural light dito sa inyong receiving space or your living area. Solid wood main door and your modern door lock. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. Upon entering dito sa inyong main door, you will be greeted by an open layout design dito sa buong ground level. And in this space, your receiving or living area. Again, your window allows lots of natural light in this space. A covered ceiling design with pin lights installed. So it improves the lighting in this space. Ang ganda rin because of the warm and cozy vibe coming from your pin lights. For the flooring, porcelain tiles, high gloss finish. Alam nyo, one of the advantage ito mga itong kulay ng flooring, it can easily adapt doon sa preference nyo when it comes doon sa mga interior design. So, madali yan nakaka-adapt. Ang ganda ng kanilang kulay in this space, very neutral and classy in design. So, in this area, ito yung inyong dining space. About 8 to 10-seater dining table kasha in this area. And again, I'd like to highlight itong inyong huge sliding door facing dito sa inyong water feature. So you have the view ng inyong water feature from your dining. And of course, it has this endless transition from indoor to outdoors if you have visitors with tables and chairs outside dito sa inyong covered lanai. Madali nyo may extend yung indoor space nyo going here. Ayan. Ganda rin ng kanilang view, no? By the way, for the material used dito sa inyong sliding door and sliding window, these are double glazed glass and high-end PVC. It has these insulation properties and reducing noise material. So, it has parang it reduces the use of your AC by preventing no yung temperature from outside going inside. So hindi rin mabilis lumabas yung lamig nung AC going out. So yan, mas nape-preserve yung energy efficient nung buong property or nung kuryente nyo dito sa indoor. Ganun din with the reducing noise property, hindi mabilis pumasok yung ingay. Dito sa dulo, itong inyong kitchen area, L-shaped counter and your island counter. Lots of food preparation space. And you can also utilize this space as your quick work area or a breakfast nook or informal dining. Hanging lights, and in this area naman, nandito yung inyong 5 gas burners integrated na rin together with your range hood. And by the way, for the material use, for the counter marble finish, under mounted sink, of course, food grade material, SUS 304, together with your stainless faucet, transom window, adding some natural light in this space, and of course, natural contrast with the view ng inyong plants outside. Ganda, no? Base and hanging cabinets for your storage, and of course, lagayan ng cutleries, utensils ninyo. Soft close drawers, soft close hinges. By the way, your oven, additional space para sa inyong mga ng mga gamit, and the location of your 2 or 4 door refrigerator. Okay. So ito yung inyong main kitchen, lots of counter space for food preparation, and I'd like to highlight this particular gamit no in this house, itong inyong elevator. So very convenient to use, especially sa mga elderly ninyo going up or going down. Okay? Ganda, no? And few steps, ito naman yung inyong bedroom 1. So kunyari man you have your elderly with you and gusto nyo kasama sila dito sa focal point ng property, we have this room for them. The location of your bed frame, you can also notice for the flooring, naging siya, no? Solid wood. I guess this is Nara. High gloss yung finish. Ang ganda rin nung contrast, no? Natural contrast. Windows for natural light. Additional space maybe for your vanity area, no? Or console table. Floor to ceiling cabinet for your storage. And your toilet and bath. Oh, nakalock yung toilet and bath. But currently, itong toilet and bath na ito is nakalink dito sa inyong common toilet and bath for the whole ground floor. So, ayan, nailak lang siguro kanina. Your floor to ceiling cabinet, maybe location of the cleaning materials dito sa ground floor. So, ito yung nakalink na toilet and bath for your bedroom 1. Under mounted sink, your water closet, and the shower space. So before tayo umakyat sa itaas, baba muna tayo dun sa inyong basement. Nandun yung room ninyo for your male and female staff. By the way, your floor-mounted AC. Okay, so let's go down. So here's a basement. We have this space as the landing area and the storage. So kunyari man may mga lumang gamit kayo like your Christmas tree, pwede nyo ilagay in that area. So ito yung inyong, again, your basement, the room for your male or female staff. For the flooring, porcelain tiles, rough texture para alam nyo na no, convenient yung pagtapak nyo rito, especially kapag may laundry kayo. Madaling maglakad in this space. The toilet and bath para sa inyong male and female staff. Another room, again, for your staff. And this is the space for the laundry. Ayan. So, for the laundry, additional counter maybe, kunyari man, pwedeng gamitin as the dirty kitchen for heavy cooking or para sa mga staff ninyo. This security gate going here, ito yung pinaka-basement coming from your covered lanai. So in this space, perfect spot for the drying, the laundry, no. So ito yung drying area. Ayan, maliwanag din sa itaas. So akyat tayo ulit sa itaas, no? Balik tayo. So going back here sa ground floor, Let's go up. For the stairs, solid wood staircase and your ganun din sa handrails with metal balustrades. Lots of natural light coming from your fixed window dito sa inyong second floor. And here's the second level. We have this common space with double height ceiling. Your family area. Lots of natural light from your fixed window. We already have these furnitures to give you some idea in this space. Your media wall with your television set and your split type AC. For the flooring, porcelain tiles, high gloss finish, no, katulad nung nasa ground floor. Your sliding door with an access going here sa inyong balcony with turf grass flooring. By the way, nandito yung inyong elevator for the second floor. A powder room para sa inyong mga guests or relatives in this area. Ayan, you have the view at the back of the property. Ganon din in this space, dito sa may water fountain area. Again, for the material used, these are high-grade PVC and double-glazed tempered glass. So we have this only bedroom dito sa second floor, which is the master bedroom, no? Okay, so at the back of these fluted panels or your accent wall, your bedroom 1 or again, the master bedroom. The location of your bed frame. And ang luwag pa in this space na pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong huge furniture like your couch, your center table in that area as your waiting space or the anteroom. The location of your media wall or your television set. Huge sliding door facing dito sa harapan ng property with your balcony. Your walk-in closet area. Floor-to-ceiling cabinet, lots of storage space. Spacious counter for your preparation area, under-mounted sink, water closet with bidet, and your shower space with enclosure. Okay, so let's go up dun sa inyong third floor. Again, napakaaliwalas dito sa kanilang stairs. Lots of natural light coming from the fixed window from your double height ceiling. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation because the sense of openness dito sa left side nitong property. Here's a third floor, your indoor balcony with a commanding view dito sa inyong family area and additional 2 bedrooms in this floor. So total 4 bedrooms in this house, hindi pa kasama yung inyong male and female staff quarters. So this is your master bedroom or your bedroom 3. On either side, mamili kayo ano kung saan nyo ilalagay yung inyong media wall or the lugar, or yung lugar, no? For your bed frame or pwede rin in this space. Well, depende sa inyo on your preference or sa feng shui ninyo, no? Your walk-in closet, again, floor-to-ceiling cabinet, lots of storage space. Karoon din in this area. Your his or her sink with your man-made quartz. Ganda ng kanilang faucet, no? Your water closet, and the shower space with enclosure. And lastly, your bedroom 4. And by the way, you have your elevator pa rin. So dito sa inyong bedroom 4, maybe dito yung inyong bed frame in this space. Again, no, yung possibilities in every corner of this house. So you still have the options kung paano nyo gusto ipwesto yung magiging furnitures and appliances nyo in this house. Pwede rin dito in this space because of the provision ng mga side lamp or yung mga side table with lamp. Floor to ceiling cabinet para sa inyong storage space. You also have this huge window facing dito sa inyong double height ceiling, so it also allows lots of natural light. And lastly, your toilet and bath. That concludes our penthouse tour for today of this brand new duplex development here in Apabay, Taguig City. If you think this is the right one for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.